In today's digital age, managing passwords can feel like juggling flaming swords while riding a unicycle. One misstep, and you're in trouble. Enter password managers, the digital bodyguards promising to keep your online accounts safe. But are they truly the knights in shining armor, or just another target for cyber villains? Let's explore the pros and cons of password managers, the security risks involved, and what to watch out for. The good. Why password managers are your digital BFFs. One password to rule them all. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password. It securely stores all your other passwords, sparing you from the mental gymnastics of recalling dozens of complex combinations. Strong, unique passwords. These tools generate robust, unique passwords for each of your accounts, reducing the risk of breaches due to reused or weak passwords. According to Wired, using a password manager can help you avoid common pitfalls like 123456 or password. Time-saving autofill. Password managers can automatically fill in your login details, saving you time and reducing the chance of entering credentials on phishing sites. Cross-device syncing. Many password managers sync across your devices, ensuring you have access to your credentials whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. The bad. Potential pitfalls of password managers. Single point of failure. Your master password is the key to your digital kingdom. If it's weak or compromised, all your stored passwords could be at risk. This is known as a single point of failure. Target for hackers. Password managers can be attractive targets for cybercriminals. For instance, LastPass experienced a significant breach in 2022 where customer data and particularly encrypted vaults were stolen. Device security dependency. If your device is infected with malware, it could compromise your password manager, exposing your credentials. Malware like keyloggers can capture your master password, granting full access to all stored credentials. Cloud storage concerns. Cloud-based password managers store your data on remote servers. While convenient, this means your information is only as secure as the service's defenses. A breach on their end could expose your data. The ugly. What to watch out for. Weak master passwords. Ensure your master password is strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessable information like password 123 or your pet's name. Phishing attacks. Be cautious of phishing attempts that mimic your password manager's interface to steal your master password. Unreliable services. Not all password managers are created equal. Research and choose reputable services with strong security track records. Back up your master password. If you forget your master password, you could be locked out of all your accounts. Some experts suggest keeping a physical backup in a secure place like a safe. Conclusion: to use or not to use. Password managers offer a convenient and secure way to handle your multitude of passwords, acting as a digital bodyguard for your online life. However, they are not without risk. By choosing a reputable service, creating a strong master password, and staying vigilant against potential threats, you can significantly enhance your online security. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, a little caution goes a long way. So, are password managers your digital bodyguard or just another target? Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that with the right practices, they can be both guarding your digital life while being mindful of the targets on their backs. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.